Għaddew aktar minn 2000 sena minn meta San Giuseppe u l-Madonna kellhom jaħarbu mingħajr twelidhom minħabba li Erodi kien qiegħed jippersegwithom. Illum ħafna nsara fl-Art Imqaddsa qegħdin iħossuhom ukoll li m'għandhomx għażla għajr li jitilqu wkoll. Jekk l-insara jissoktaw bil-ħarba tagħhom mill-Art Imqaddsa u stmat li fi ftit snin oħra ma jibqax nisrani wieħed jgħix hawnhekk.
The Christian community in Holy Land is very fragile and tiny community. We are just 1% of total population. And the situation is different if you talk about the Christians that are living in Israel and the Christians that are living in the Palestinian Authority. What is common for all of them is that the Christians are very few, very unprotected, and they feel that they are a minority within a minority with many difficulties, problems of identity, problem of perspective for the future. And of course, that is not everything is not catastrophic. I mean, but there are many difficulties. And if you consider that Holy Land is always a turmoil, crossroads of many conflicts, the Christians that are a tiny and fragile minority, they are suffering more than other communities. The Christmas spirit remains, of course, in any circumstances, even in the violent circumstance and violent context we are living in. Because I want to say that just because of this violence that we are facing, we are living with from many years, the Christmas atmosphere, the Christmas spirit is even more necessary.
Ħafna mill-insara Palestinjani huma meqjusa fost l-aktar li għandhom livell għoli tal-edukazzjoni u li kapaċi jintegraw malajr fid-dinja tal-punent. Dan jagħmel aktar faċli għalihom jitilqu mill-Art Imqaddsa fi żmien li ġej.